Alrighty, man. We are rolling Sharp Customs. It's a Sunday night. You probably didn't think that we were going to come right back at you, but sometimes that's just the way we roll, man. Me and the camera girl, we still got this weird cough thing going on. I'm feeling, you know, I'm not 100%, but you know, we're getting there, man. We're a week in with the flu bug, and you know, we just keep puttering along. As you can see, I took the time. I got the jet boat in yellow. Did a little bit of body work on it. Nothing crazy. You know, the plan eventually is to possibly make these out of fiberglass. Here, I can lift it up. But I'm going to show you something. So I took the pump that was glued in there, and I'm going to show you something that happened today. And it's pretty crazy. It's pretty crazy. But yeah, I smoothened it out a bit. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're just going to, I got Sharp Customs on the front here. I'm just gonna quickly, you know, blow some black, you know, True Fire on there, and we're gonna let you see what it looks like behind the yellow coupe with the black flames on it. Got my airbrush here, got my little template, and you know, like always, man, we want to keep the video short. Yes, in the background you can hear the weird what sounds like somebody, you know, scratching a record, but no, actually that's a 3D printer, and I'll show you that. The thing's gonna be printing till about 11 o'clock tonight. Not sure exactly what the time is right now, but you know, we'll give you a little sneak peek on what's in the printer, because it's actually for this jet boat, but you have to wait until I show you what kind of happened. But yeah, let's go at it. Like, I didn't, you know, I did a little bit of prep. There's some pinholes and stuff in this, but you know what? Let's flame it out. I'm just gonna kind of go for it, and the idea with the Sharp Customs right here is, you know, we're gonna blow some flames over those letters, and then we'll peel them off, and hopefully it all looks cool. We're just gonna work our way up there. Always working under pressure. Hey, that's what I always say. Always working under pressure. Why not? Why not? Working under pressure. We're going to go right over top. We're just going to blast these suckers in. Listen to that printer, man. That printer makes some pretty funky noises. Of course, I got to darken over the, you know, over the letters to make them kind of stand out a bit. I always say a short little video, you know. always say that, and I don't know why, because sometimes they get a little long. Sometimes I'm doing this stuff. I'm kind of doing it, I get lots of reflection from the light and whatnot, and sometimes I'm kind of doing it blind, but it all works out in the end, I think. Yeah, my airbrush, I got a piece of tape around this bucket here. I don't know if the O-rings are worn out or something, but just didn't want to stay where it was supposed to stay. Let's just put it that way. Same as the, I laid out, for a windshield, and I should have put an extra piece of tape, because I got a little bit of overspray there. Not a big deal. It'll all blend. It'll all blend in the end. I am going to put flames down the sides of the boat. We're just going to work this top piece for now. And then we'll let you see what it kind of looks like on the trailer with the car. I think it'll look pretty cool. So the idea with the letters, the Sharp Custom, is to, kind of make it look, kind of embossed, I guess. The idea will be obviously to, get all the letters just kind of. We need some more fire over this side. We got lots going on over here. We'll get some more, don't worry. A bit more, like I say, that reflection off of the and I'm standing off to the side of it, which gives me a totally different kind of perspective of what's going on with the flamage. I think we probably got enough coverage there. I'm gonna pull that stuff off. Should have a little scalpel knife. I usually save that stuff, my letters, but in this case, I'm just gonna dump them off. I've had them kicking around for a long time. I've used them quite a bit. I like how it stands out. You could do them another color, I suppose. The whole idea behind this is the just the basic, yellow, black on yellow. There we go. I'm going to put some more flames down the side of the boat. Don't know if I'm going to do anything here, but we're going to take this. Let's take it. Let's go set it on the trailer. Oh, this thing doesn't weigh nothing with the motor and the pump and all that stuff. But it's going to get a little darker when I put the little bit of... I know right now it kind of looks a little bit lighter than the car, and that's because I've got some gold flake in the clear coat on the car, and the boat should darken up. Hopefully it's the same yellow, but there you go. Yeah, I kind of like it. The boat looks a little lighter. Hopefully it darkens up once I put the rest of the flames on it and clear coat it and whatnot. So, the pump that was in that boat, I'm going to show it to you. It's right here. So, when I undid all the fasteners and took it out, one of the first things was the back. Look at that. Look how thick that PLA is. That snapped off. I didn't realize all I was using was the right stuff to seal it in, but that whole back section snapped right off. And then, I was like, well, okay, it's kind of dickered now. I'll keep peeling it up, and then this whole, look at this whole chunk, like look how thick that is, and it just snapped. Lifting this, it snapped this whole piece like right off, and I was like, oh man, I spent so much time putting the inserts in here and the inserts in here, and it was like, obviously you can see this still has the inserts in it, and I will turn those out because they're the only inserts I have, and I'm gonna have to reuse them because what we got going on, so we got the coupe, we got the boat to match. I could probably flame that up. I'll flame that up not much more, not much. I'm gonna do a little bit down the sides, and then I'll probably tonight I'll give it a shot of clear coat. That way, when the other parts are ready. Oh yeah. On a side note. The car itself, the coupe, got to get some new axles. Both the axles are bent. And on a side note, that's just a little piddly 23cc, Zenoa motor in it. I'm thinking I might just order me a brand new 30.5cc engine for that car. You know what? They're so reasonable, cheap, that it just I was gonna maybe modify one of my other Bajas, like this one sitting right here. I was thinking about maybe just modifying it, make it longer, do the changes. It's got the big 9mm axles and everything. It's got better radio gear. And then I got thinking about it, and it was like, well, you know what, man? There is nothing wrong with that one, other than the motor might be a little bit tired, and it is a pretty small motor. It's a little 23cc, you know, compared to this one being a 30. So I can order me a 30.5cc for, it's literally $100. Like, that just seems the way to go. And I think there's 4 fasteners hold the motor in. Comes with your clutch pack, comes with a big bore carburetor. Just seems to be the way to go. Let's go over here and let's have a look at the printer. There you go, I'll open the door. Yes, it's red. It's bright red. We are printing out another water pump for the jet boat. I figured, you know what? The whole Sharp Customs thing is yellow and red. Why not print out one in red? I've got a whole brand new spool of red. And I figure I just print out another pump in red. Probably do some accents, maybe in black. But the whole, it'll look cool. It'll look cool in there, you know, red. Kind of limited to, well, no, you're never limited to the colors you want to print because, you know, you want a specific color, just, you know, Amazon, order up the color you want. It's here the next day. You can be printing with it, but I got a whole spool of red, and I thought, hey, why the heck not, man? We'll print out at least the main, you know, the main part of the pump that I busted today. Yeah, we'll print it out. We still got a couple hours of yeah, we still got an hour and 45 minutes for the carcass or the chamber, whatever you want to call that, to finish. As you can see, if the camera wants to look in there, you can see I had to help it just a little bit. You can see down here where these where the support was. I've got a piece of glue stick here, and I got a piece of glue stick over on the other side. And sometimes you have to do that. I mean, you don't have to. But all this support was all wishy-washy, and here's a piece right here. That's a great big piece right here that that fell off. I mean, I don't mind. I try not to babysit, the stuff that is printing. But sometimes when you see just a very slight issue, you know, it doesn't hurt to pause it. Help it out. And basically, the glue stick, it just helps support these supports, you know, on the other side also. And it just helps support them so that it could actually start printing this lower piece of flange. And would it have failed? Not 100% sure, but it definitely helped it out. So there you have it. Sharp Customs. A little bit more. You probably did not think that we were gonna do a back-to-back video, but why the hell not? That's what I say, man. Sharp Customs. Share, like, subscribe. Love you all. Keep on rocking. Peace. I'm out.